I'm very pleased to announce that I'm standing here at Pinewood Studios at a shoot for our first truly global 5G smartphone, the incredible Nokia 8.3 5G, which is available to buy and pre-order as of today in countries around the world. The Nokia 8.3 5G has the ability to capture cinematic-style video and photography, which is perfect for the social media savvy.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to introduce to you a phone that is sure to be a fan favorite, the new Nokia 2.4. Now on to something for those who need a little bit more, from imaging capabilities to performance. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce the highly anticipated, performance-packed new Nokia 3.4.